Hello and welcome. Some of you may be wondering, are there other ways to monetize Shopify without having your own store on Shopify? Managing an online store is not an easy task, and besides investing money into the shop, you're also investing your time. Some of you may have a problem investing your time because you already have a day job, so you don't have any extra time to manage the store. Here are some other money-making ideas to use with Shopify without actually starting your own store on Shopify. There are two options to monetize on Shopify without a store. They are the affiliate program and the dropship seller program. Both programs are through Shopify, so you don't need to worry about having to approach shop owners one by one. Shopify will take care of the terms and conditions with the shop owners directly. After you've signed up for the programs, what you will need to handle is your subscribers and marketing strategies. I will now show you each of the programs, so let's get started. The concept of the Shopify affiliate program is the same as all other affiliate programs. The only difference is you promote other people's online store on a different platform. If you already have a number of subscribers or readers on your blog, you can start promoting other people's stores to your subscribers. However, if you're new to this business, you will need to start building up your own mailing list first. The best part of joining the Shopify affiliate program is you can attract new leads with Shopify's free resources. When you join the program, you'll get their marketing materials, such as banners, templates, and handouts. You can keep track on your sales on the Shopify affiliate dashboard, just like all other affiliate programs. Now, how does earnings work? You probably guessed, it works the same as other affiliate programs. You will get commission on sales that are the result of promoting their products. The affiliate program is a great way to monetize Shopify, and you don't need to start a new store and build up reputation from scratch if you join the affiliate program. It is good if you have a store and you can promote your own product. However, if you could promote other people's products and earn a commission from the sales from your subscribers, it could be an additional income stream without putting extra effort into creating your own product. Apart from that, for the bloggers and internet marketers that are already in the business, you can easily find products to promote to your own readers or subscribers. This is a wonderful method of creating another stream of income by just sending new offers to the same group of people. After you join the affiliate program, what you need to do is look for some hot seller products on Shopify. If you are new to Shopify, you may be wondering where to look for the hot seller products. So log into your Shopify account, or even if you're on the landing page, look for the Ways to Sell tab on the top menu bar. Hover over the tab and select Online Store from the menu options that show up. Then you'll see the Examples tab below the menu bar. Click on it, and you'll be directed to the Examples page, which shows the store types on Shopify. Look for the products on the Featured page. These online stores are usually the most popular ones and the best sellers. Skim through and look for stores similar to your niche. For instance, if you're in the niche of selling watches, you'll need to look for something similar. Here's one thing I should remind you of before you begin the affiliate program. Never simply pick one that's not in your niche, even if it's a hot seller. You must understand the nature of your own business. Your subscribers subscribe to you because of their interest, in this case, their interest in watches. If you suddenly start selling clothes to them, they may not take up the offer. Pick something your subscribers are likely to buy. The next program you can sign up for with Shopify is the Dropship Seller Program. This program is more or less the same as the Shopify affiliate program. The only difference between the two programs is you'll need to have your own store for this program because you're going to sell someone else's product on your own store site. And the best part is you don't need to ship the product to your customer by yourself. You can have the products shipped directly to your customers through the supplier. The whole dropship procedure is this. Step 1, your customer places an order with your shop. Step 2, you place an order with a third-party supplier. And then step 3, the supplier will ship the order directly to the customer. The final step, you let the customer know that the item's been shipped. And this is basically the whole procedure. You don't need to worry about the terms and conditions either because Shopify already does that for you. Now, your next question is, why participate in the dropship program and not the affiliate program? Well, here's why. If you are already a prominent blogger or internet marketer, you can sell products under your own brand, and so that's the right program for you. You don't need to keep on creating your own products anymore. Instead, you're going to get a supplier and sell their products under your store. It's much easier to sell a business built around an independently owned website. The best part is you don't have to worry about the shipping. As mentioned, the supplier will take care of the rest for you. What you will need to do is just place orders as needed to fulfill orders from your customers. And this is how the Dropship Seller program works. Next, you will need to look for hot seller products to sell in your store. First, look for suppliers online. Please be aware of fake dropshipping wholesalers. Here are some methods to differentiate fake wholesalers from real ones. They charge recurring payments, and they sell to the public instead of just selling wholesale. Now that you know how to spot the fake suppliers, you can start looking for real suppliers. The first method would be by using Google to search keywords. Wholesalers are usually not very good at marketing and promotion, and they most likely will not show up with the search term wholesale suppliers. You'll need to dig them up through a bit of research. The second method that you can use to search for suppliers is through attending trade shows. This allows you to connect with all the major manufacturers and wholesalers in a particular niche. And this is a great way to make contacts and connections with suppliers all at the same time. Before this module ends, just a small reminder for you. Always look for products under the same niche that you promote. This is an important thing to keep in mind when you're looking for products to promote.